Yamaha officially presents an update for one of its newest sport touring motorcycles by presenting the 2022 model. The Yamaha Tracer 7 GT 2022 now comes with a color combination that looks more fierce. This motorbike, which is a close relative of the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT 2022, looks quite similar, but still has different details and of course has a smaller kitchen runway. One of the sport touring motorcycles in Europe comes with the best appearance completely redesigned, with a two-cylinder engine with a larger capacity of 689 cc's. Of course, it produces stronger torque to accelerate. Great for driving on winding mountain roads or long distances on highways, with a new, lighter chassis to provide agility and with improved repairs. The design of the Yamaha Tracer 7 GT 2022, half-fairing with a very aggressive face. The DOHC lights on the top look like eyebrows, while for the headlamp alias the main lights use an LED projector and are located a little hidden. For the short-range lamp itself, it is on the right, while for the long-range light it is on the left, and of course, both lights will light up when activating the remote light. Seeing that the design is really new, the headlights of the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT 2021 are made similar to the Yamaha R1 and Yamaha R6. The new thing that looks very striking is the use of the half-fairing that extends from the headlamp to the side of the radiator, not to mention the presence of a windscreen on the front that protects the rider from the wind. In terms of features, there are many excellent features offered by Yamaha. Apart from the engine and electronics, there are still many advanced features and new things on the Yamaha Tracer 7 GT. Projector lamp and position lamp and flasher, the lightest in its class and has the best power-to-weight ratio. Adjustable front and rear suspension. Windshield can be adjusted with one hand. Comfortable ergonomic. Use of tandem seats. Full digital speedometer with negative display. Looking at the Yamaha Tracer 7 GT 2022 panel meter, it's not as cool and sophisticated as the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT. It has an octagonal and elongated design, but also has a variety of important information for drivers, starting from speed instructions, tachometers, gear indicators, fuel consumption, to digital clocks. Turning to the specifications section, the Yamaha Tracer 7 GT 2022 comes with an engine with the capacity of 689 cc's. The engine has a configuration of 2 cylinders, for stroke, for valves, DOHC, and also liquid-cooled, a very different engine from its older brother, the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT, which uses a 3-cylinder engine. As for the performance itself, this motor has a peak power of 54 kilowatts, or about 73.4196 PS, at 8,750 revolutions per minute. Meanwhile, the peak torque reaches 67 nanometers, which is achieved at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Yamaha also provides a limited power version with a peak power of only 35 kilowatts, or around 47.5868 PS, at 7,500 revolutions per minute. This limited power version is intended for 2 SIM holders in Europe. The frame itself uses a diamond frame, which is combined with the conventional telescopic front suspension not upside down. Meanwhile, the rear suspension uses a monoshock with a link. Both front and rear suspension can be adjusted to suit the character of the user or the road traversed. In terms of dimensions, this one motorbike is typical of sport touring motorbikes in general, which is quite high. Even the height itself reaches 835 millimeters. But this is, of course, the motor has a relatively high ground clearance of 140 millimeters. For the weight of the Yamaha Tracer 7 GT itself reaches 196 kilograms, including oil and fuel. Yamaha Europe presents 3 color options for the 2022 model, namely Redline, Icon, Performance, and also Tech Camo. For the price of the 2022 Yamaha Tracer 7 GT itself, it is offered starting from £8,999 or around 173.66 for the United Kingdom area.